Hello, John. Hope you're right. As you can see, I've changed the way I'm doing check-ins and stuff now. So on this page, actually, start recording this before I've even done it. My fault. Basically, you're gonna have the. I'm trying to point to the screen. You're gonna have the link down here. So it'll come up where it will just say check-ins. Underneath that, it will say the date I'm actually putting the check-in up, and then link next to it. And just be a YouTube link. Just follow that, and it will take you to this. Good job, Brad. Good job. I'll text you this in a sec. Anyway, going over your training. Obviously, you come to the end of the 4 weeks. I will update and send a new plan over. So I will change this bit down here to say phase 1, and I'll also add you a phase 2 on there. Looking back over it and stuff like that, looking where you are now, where you were, really good. Majority of weights have increased. Majority of reps, sets, and stuff have gone up if the weights haven't changed. So we've got a nice load of progression from there. And that's why they change every week. So we've got to force you to be stronger each time. Like, we have to push you. I'm going to assume this one here though, because your shallow incline press actually dropped weight, even though we should have been around 17.5 or potentially on 20s for this week. That's okay. I know you've been injured. I know your training stuff's been all over the place. With nutrition, we still need to get this on target. So your protein should be around 200 grams per day. You're still quite under on that. And your actual calories are still quite sporadic. So 1900 is where we're at. That's where we should be. So this one is probably the closest one you've got to it in the last couple of days. Well, this one is even better. But it's still all over the place. So we do need to make sure that is like bang on 100% every single day. I don't mind like 50 calories either way. We just need to really nail down on that. With measurements, you're slowly coming down each week, but we should see bigger drops than this. I mean, we started at 87.8, only just got down to 86. I know it's in kilo, so it's still a good 4-ish to 5 pounds dropped, but we can push that more. Okay, I don't want to touch your calories, don't want to touch your cardio. I know obviously you're struggling with steps, but can you get in? Obviously you can get back into the gym. Is there any way you can do stuff like bike, or even just, we got the ropes and stuff back out in the gym now, the flooring's been done. Even if you're sat in a box, so there's less pressure on your foot, just getting your arms moving, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off for say 10 rounds. Let me know what your kind of preference is to that, and I can send you a plan over with that as well, changing it up. And that is pretty much everything. So I just need to get your updated progress photos. We can go through that. Sorry, Amy's at the other side of the table chomping. Let me just turn the camera around a sec. There we go. Yeah, we'll go through all that, make sure everything's all good. Need those photos. I'll let us know about that cardio, and I'll change it over for you. If you're really struggling with nutrition, just say. I mean, it might be a case of you have to start sticking to slightly more strict meal plans rather than just if it fits every day. Actually set up like a structure which you're going to start sticking to. Any issues, bud, just let us know and we'll go from there. All right, take care, have a good weekend. See you soon.